Welcome. My name is Skip Roncal. I'm the founder of Mobeliz. I want to take just a couple of minutes to show you the customer support and HelpBot that we've embedded into our system to really support you as you navigate and learn the application. So we believe that we've done a pretty good job in building a highly intuitive interface, but for those cases where you're not quite sure, we've basically leveraged, of course, our knowledge, but also the generative AI's knowledge of the application to provide you with a very simple to use HelpBot. And so you can find help here towards the bottom of the sidebar. And so when we select help, we refer to our help as Luna. Luna is a part of our natural language parsing engine, but also part of our HelpBot. And so we can say, well, tell us, how does the next best actions panel work? And so it will go out and look at all of the content that we've created about the HelpBot and provide you with answers relative to how to use or what that function is designed for. And so let's say that this is what we wanted. And so that was great. And so we'll provide a little thank you there. We might also, does next best action work on mobile? I have no idea if how this is going to respond. It should respond positively because it understands that it's a responsive client. So yes, the next best action panel on mobile says to mobile, blah, 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 et cetera, et cetera. The other place that this comes into play, if you're managing the application as an administrator, is that you can use the HelpBot for yourself. And so we'll go down here to the setup menu, go to HelpBot, and here you can see that in order to configure Luna, Help Assistant, and view analytics. So the analytics, the feedback that we're getting, I just had a positive one. I should have probably said negative there just to give you a demo. Feedback trends, priority issues. I don't have any at the moment. How we configure it. So this is the system prompt that is driving the behavior of the HelpBot. And so then the response is professional, 1,500 and 1,500 characters or tokens. So this gives you a sense of how much tokens it's going to use as you utilize the HelpBot. And then you can also, and if you've gone to our website, mobeliz.com, you'll see Luna at the bottom right-hand side. And so here's a series of questions or an FAQ. And so we can take the Luna HelpBot and point it internally or point it externally. And so this is where we've captured our kind of top 10 questions. And this list could go on and on. But so that's it. That's how you access kind of the first line customer support, is by accessing the help screen. The thing that you should keep in mind is that throughout our development process, every time we created a new function, we had the AI document it, both from a end user perspective and an administrator's perspective. So it did all of the work that we would have formally given to an engineer or a technical publications writer. And so you can trust that it understands what it's built and understands what information to give back to you based on your query. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to me on LinkedIn or contact me via the website at mobeliz.com. That's mobeliz.com. Thanks so much for your attention. I really appreciate it.